The width of the ashoke is 6.5 inches. Place it on fold, and with a shear scissors so it doesn't fray, you separate the fold. Placing one part on fold again, you get about 1.5 inches. This will be used as the pattern to cut the center front of the bubu. We will be needing joining allowance, so we will add 0.5 inch to this, so the space is now about 1 inch on the bubu fabric. From the shoulder line, come down by 10 inches, so this will be the neck depth. Go ahead to mark 1 inch all the way down to the hem. From the neck width, connect to the neck depth with a slight curve. Go ahead to cut out this part. Here I'm just sharing a tip on how you can close the shoulder line properly of your bubu by cutting a facing. The facing is about 7 inches length and it is only for the back piece. Basically, you place the facing right sides on the bubu, sew down on a straight line by about 0.5 inch, then you flip it back towards the shoulder line. You come in with the front piece of the bubu, placing it on the shoulder area. Here I am sewing by 0.5 inch the main front piece and the main back piece, just to keep it in place. Now you turn the shoulder line with the facing by 0.5 inch, or use the line just top stitched on as a guide. When you turn inside out, the right side and the wrong side of the shoulder line should look like this. Repeat the same process on the other shoulder. Next, join the pieces of the ashoke to get the length you would need. You have to measure both sides of the front length and round the back neck. Next, place the ashoke on each other and top stitch a straight line on the middle. To determine where the top stitch will end, place the neckline of the center back on fold as shown. Ensure the shoulder lines are matching up. Measure from the center back all the way to the neck depth for the front. Here we have the back neckline to be 4 inches on fold, and of course the front neckline is 10 inches as we earlier measured. This brings us to a total of 14 inches. From the top fold of the ashoke strip, come down by 14 inches, and at this point the top stitch ends. Secure the stop point by back stitching and the neckline is created. From the middle, place the ashoke on fold on both sides, and here's what we have. To attach the ashoke strip, place the shoulder line of the bubu matching up and highlight the center back. In a similar way, highlight the center back of the ashoke strip. Match both points together as shown. Sew from the center back all the way to the hem of the bubu, and repeat the same on the other side, sewing from the middle to the other hem. When you are done attaching the ashoke neckline strip, here's how the final outcome looks like. You can now go ahead to hem the middle of the ashoke as well as the other side of the bubu. This rivet multipurpose machine will be used to create the cover button. Here I am screwing in the original upper dice, then losing out the bottom dice. The cover button size is 50. The fabric size is 4 inches by 4 inches. Place the flat side of the cover button shell on the fabric. Cover the shell as shown with the fabric and tightly secure with a thread. Ensure the outer area of the button is flat and nice. Cut out the excess fabric and cover with the plastic parts of the button. Come in with the cover button dice. Don't place the cover button on the flatter part of the dice but inside the dome area. Place the button in the dice and cover the dice with its cover. Flip it to the wrong side and place under the rivet machine as shown. Hit the lever of the rivet machine multiple times. The cover button is completely done when it is inseparable. Create multiple cover buttons in the same way and attach to your garment. And here's what we have. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.